Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create Trust Wallet account. Now the first thing that you need to do is search Trust Wallet in Google. Once you have searched it, what you can do now is click on browser extension. And now a new window is going to appear and now I have to click on get Trust Wallet. And now from here you can download your Trust Wallet extension. As you can see, I have already installed it. I am going to simply go to extensions in Chrome and click on Trust Wallet. And now you will be redirected to this page. Now you will have to click on create a new wallet, and now I have to set up my password. As you can see, my password is set, and now what I have to do is enter it again to confirm my password. After that, agree to terms and services and then click on proceed. And after I have set up my password, what I have to do now is create a secret phrase key. Once you have created your secret phrase key, you should copy it and keep it safe. And now what we have to do is confirm our secret phrase key. So I will copy my phrase in my notepad and then I can easily confirm my phrase. So what you have to do is find every word of your phrase in order. So for example, first word is thank. So I have to find the word thank and select it. The second word is claim. So I have to select claim. So after you have confirmed your phrase, you will be redirected to this window. Click on no thanks. So now you can open your wallet as your Trust Wallet account has been created. So that's it. That's how you can create your Trust Wallet account.